Otters sliding down, a fun dive into language. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a fun and educational journey into a phrase that might seem straightforward but is packed with interesting language learning opportunities. Otters sliding down. This phrase is not just about animals at play. It's a window into verb phrases, gerunds, and the joy of visual language in English. Let's dive in and explore the layers of meaning and grammar hidden in this playful imagery. Otters sliding down describes a scene where otters are engaging in an activity. They are moving downwards on their bellies, likely on mud, snow, or a slippery surface. This phrase is vivid and brings to mind a specific, joyful action. But let's break it down further. Otters, a type of small, playful mammal that lives near water. Sliding. The action of moving smoothly along a surface, often with little to no effort. Down, a direction indicating movement from a higher point to a lower point. Here, the phrase combines a subject, otters, with a verb in gerund form, sliding, and a direction, down, creating a dynamic visual image that's easy to understand and imagine. This seemingly simple phrase is a great example of a verb phrase in action. A verb phrase can consist of a main verb, a helping verb, or both, sometimes accompanied by adverbs or prepositions, like down, in our case. Verb phrase. The combination of sliding down acts as our main verb phrase, describing the action. Gerunds. Sliding is a gerund, which is a verb form that functions as a noun. In this phrase, it's part of the verb phrase, but gerunds can also be subjects, objects, or complement nouns in a sentence. Understanding how these elements work together helps learners grasp more complex sentence structures and appreciate the flexibility of English grammar. Visual language in English learning is about creating vivid, memorable images with words. Otters sliding down is an excellent example of how descriptive language can paint a picture that sticks with learners, making vocabulary and grammar lessons more engaging and effective. Imagery. This phrase uses simple words to evoke a strong, playful image, aiding in memory and comprehension. Contextual learning. Encountering vocabulary in its natural context, like storytelling or descriptions, can significantly enhance language acquisition. Incorporating visual language into learning not only makes the process more enjoyable but also strengthens retention and understanding of complex grammatical concepts through vivid examples. We hope this exploration of otters sliding down has not only brightened your day with images of playful otters but also deepened your understanding of English grammar and the power of visual language. Remember, every phrase and word in English holds a world of discovery that goes beyond its surface meaning. Keep exploring, keep learning, and let the joy of language take you on exciting new journeys. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.